Hello, maybe you know this term raw, maybe from the spiritual scene, from some teachers. There's this book, Wake Up and Raw from Papaji. So how does it actually look like to raw? So maybe you find a place in the nature or inside, in a house where you feel safe and you feel you don't disturb anyone. And then you just lay down on the grass, on the floor, and just relax your body, release the whole weight of your body, and deeply inhale into your belly, into your pelvis. And from here you can open up into sighing, and maybe you want to go for a deep tone or just a tone that feels appropriate and helpful to just to release energy. And I recorded an example of myself doing it.